Government developed a project called Otjinungua Mobile School project in 1998 to provide education to children in Kunene Rural. Through this project, Otjinungua Mobile Unit School was established. Later on, a Norwegian national who visited this part of Namibia discovered a big number of mostly Ovahimba children not going to school, resulting in the construction of a community hostel to keep them in school. Otjinungua Mobile School Unit is situated in the remote areas of Kunene, some 360 kilometers from Opuo. It accommodates 163 learners from pre-grade to grade 7 from Ovahimba, Ovatwe, and Ovashimba communities. Tradition is still intact among these communities, and to an extent they live a nomadic lifestyle where children look after livestock instead of attending school. Most of them are in school now thanks to the community hostel. However, food supplied by the government through the school feeding program is no longer sufficient for the 3 meals a day.
Because of the community hostel, we are forced to move from 5 meals to 14 meals per week. And we are requesting for our government to provide more maize blends for Otjinungua Primary School, and this should be done timely before the food is finished for us not to send the kids back home, because it will affect the teaching and learning for the learners.
Donor agencies joined government by complementing the school with extra food, but transport is another challenge.
A huge challenge when it's come to transport. We do get donations from donors, but now the challenge is here that the transportation from Opuo to Otjinungua is a challenge due to the road and the government garage. Sometimes they do have the car, but the tires are not reliable to travel to Otjinungua. So maybe the school needs its own transport, so it can be easy for us to transport the food from town to Otjinungua.
The school is trying its best to keep learners in a community hostel to avoid high absenteeism and minimize long distances traveled by some learners to and from school. A few bags of maize meal were dropped off at the school, and some learners were collected from their homes so that teaching can resume next week, Tuesday.